In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Black Flash with Gojo in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform this Black Flash. It is extremely simple, and you will be able to use it on any platform. I'm gonna give you detailed instructions for all of them. So first, you will have to fill out your awakening bar. So make sure that this is filled before you can actually pull this off. So all that you have to do is activate your awakened form, and now you will be able to perform the Black Flash with all of the effects and all of the attacks that you saw by using your reversal red max and then holding your special. So press reversal red max, so 2 on PC, and start holding R, which is the key to use your special. So you are going to launch the attack is going to come back, bring the enemy towards you, and then you will punch them, performing a Black Flash. Keep in mind that if you miss this, you will actually damage yourself. So this is what it looks like in that case. You will throw out a reversal red max, and it's just going to come back towards you, ragdolling you back. So you don't want this to happen, so line it up well. But if you are able to get it properly, you walk up to an enemy, you use reversal red max, and you start holding R on your keyboard, you will be able to perform the Black Flash with Gojo. It is extremely simple. You don't have to do any sort of M1s during this, and the simplest way to explain it, like I said, is to just press reversal red max and start holding R. You don't have to worry about M1s connecting anything else, just hold R while using your max red. If you are playing on a controller, which I'm gonna demonstrate now, you will also be able to do this. So what you have to do is walk up to an enemy and press the specific button to use your reversal red. In the case of this Xbox controller, it is going to be reversal red max on the left trigger. So I'm gonna press it, and then I'm going to be holding left on the D-pad, which is my special. And as long as you hold left on the D-pad, you will also be able to do the Black Flash as Gojo. If you are playing on mobile, you will have to press the star icon after you use your red max, and this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to Black Flash with Gojo and Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.